Hello YouTube, and in this video I am going to show you around one of the world's greatest clubs, in my opinion. A place that I have so many memories from, and I'm sure you will too. If you have been in this club before, drop me a comment and let me know, because I'd be keen to know when you were here. We're here in the terrace. Obviously Amnesia has two big rooms, and we're going to start here in the terrace. And I think we have some more information with regards to some new things happening in the club this year. But as you can see, here we are. How amazing is that? Incredible. I'm getting goosebumps just being in here. This is one of my all-time favorite clubs in the world. And as you know, if you've been watching my videos, I have been all over the world in certain clubs. And it's hard to beat Amnesia. Obviously we have the DJ booth down here, and just look at the sheer size of this place, guys. Strange to see it empty. I've seen it empty before, but as you can see, the club is ready to go. This would be more the VIP area. Moving on down here, we've got all your booths. And then when the big acts are on, this bar area would obviously be closed off, and you would have a huge stage, production, the lights, everything. Oh, it's just incredible. And the famous ice cannon is up there. You'll all know what I'm talking about. If you haven't been in Ibiza, you are missing out. Get yourself to Amnesia. And moving back, you just can see the scale of this place. This is only one room. We haven't even went to the other room. And the famous steps back down to the dance floor. Many a happy night here, many a happy night. Say hi, Brad.
Hi, Brad.
But yeah, I cannot wait to get back in this club. Oh my God. What was your first year? Let me know in the comments. When have you been here? Have you never been here? I'd love to know, because I love hearing all your stories. But this is just a surreal experience. So I'll take you upstairs, where normally I would usually be. And yeah, the boys are doing some filming, excuse me. So apologise if there's a little bit of noise in the background. But this is the beautiful other side to the club. As you can see, it's ready. So we're going to cut to some shots of the club, as it would be busy, and obviously Hector is busy flying the drone around for some promotional work. And then we're going to go into the main room, and this is my favourite room. It's a little bit dark. So many memories in this room. Especially to any fellow Irish trance heads. This would have been home to Cream Amnesia for many a years. Some big brands like Do Not Sleep, Elrow have all had successful residencies here. And definitely probably my favourite part of the club. The podium where the dancers are. So yeah, you'd have all your beautiful dancers here. And even when the foam party and stuff's coming on, it's just so many different aspects to this amazing structure. And yeah, it is a bit dark, but that's another side to the VIP of the main room. And this is obviously the famous DJ booth in the main room. Also, if you ever watched the movie Kevin and Perry, this is where they would have been DJing, right on this corner. Obviously the club was busy at the time, so the actual DJ would have been there when the original Kevin and Perry were DJing on that famous scene. One of my favourite movies, one of the funniest Ibiza movies. Ooh, the drone has just arrived in the main room. And it's gone to the terrace. So hopefully it's not too dark. I know the lighting's changing, but if you've been in Amnesia, you get the drift. You know where I am. I'd usually be standing here, staggering here, with a bottle of beer on my hand, chatting to people, chatting crap, and back into the terrace, where there obviously is the natural light. The club is famous for like 7 AM in the morning, the light shining through, no better feeling. Please do comment if you have been in the club, let me know. I want as many people to comment. It's just a buzz to be inside here. You can see the excitement on my face in comparison to any other vlog. And there's the drone.